My name's Carolyn from Homesteading Family, and I want to invite you to take my pressure canning class at the School of Traditional Skills. In this class, I'm going to take you through every single step of 5 different canning recipes. After you finish this class, you will have the skill to confidently complete any pressure canning recipe. Pressure canning has so many amazing benefits. It allows you to completely control the ingredients that are in your food. It lets you take produce when it's at its absolute best peak and preserve it for the middle of winter. It helps you to save money by being able to take advantage of different savings and sales that you find. And one of the best things is it lets you create really quick and convenient meals or pieces of meals so that on those busy days you can still feed your family healthy food right from your own pantry. When I first started pressure canning, I was really nervous and a little bit scared to use my pressure canner, but I kept practicing and kept learning. And now I can between 800 and 1,000 jars of food every single year. If you want to master pressure canning, the best thing to do is to start right now. I'm Carolyn from Homesteading Family, and welcome to my pantry. Today, you are gonna start pressure canning.